What's your name?
My name is Tom.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
What's your favorite food?
I like pasta.
Do you like cats?
Yes, I do.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
Where do you live?
I live in the city.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm fine.
What's your favorite color?
Red.
Do you speak English?
A little.
Are you tired?
Yes, a bit.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink tea.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love them.
Can you sing?
No, not really.
What's your favorite sport?
Football.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, every day.
Are you busy today?
Yes, very busy.
What's your favorite drink?
Orange juice.
Do you have a pet?
No, I don't.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I do.
What time do you sleep?
Around midnight.
Can you cook?
Yes, a little.
Do you like music?
Very much.
What do you do on weekends?
I relax at home.
What's your favorite fruit?
Mango.
Are you cold?
Yes, a little.
Do you exercise?
Yes, sometime.
Do you like chocolate?
Of course.
What's your favorite animal?
A dog.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite season?
Spring.
Do you wake up early?
Not really.
Can you dance?
A little.
Do you play games?
Yes, sometimes.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am.
What's your hobby?
Drawing.
Do you drink water often?
Yes, a lot.
What's your favorite subject?
English.
Do you like rain?
Yes, very much.
Are you scared of spiders?
Yes, a little.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, sometimes.
What's your favorite place?
The beach.
Can you play an instrument?
No, I can't.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, they're beautiful.
Do you drink milk?
Not often.
What's your favorite snack?
Chips.
Do you like the night?
Yes, it's calm.
Are you good at math?
Not really.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you use social media?
Yes, every day.
Are you afraid of heights?
Yes, a little.
What's your favorite dessert?
Ice cream.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, it's fun.
How often do you exercise?
3 times a week.
Do you drink coffee every day?
No, not every day.
Do you like hot weather?
No, I prefer cold weather.
Do you like reading at night?
Yes, it helps me relax.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Chocolate.
Do you wake up early on weekends?
No, I wake up late.
Do you like watching YouTube?
Yes, every day.
What's your favorite drink in summer?
Lemonade.
Can you run fast?
Not really.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV or relax.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like shopping online?
Yes, it's easy.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, a lot.
What's your favorite cartoon?
Tom and Jerry.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, very much.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I love snow.
Are you good at cooking?
Not very good.
What's your favorite drink at night?
Warm milk.
Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, it's fast.
Do you like simple English sentences?
Yes, they help me learn.
Do you drink water in the morning?
Yes, first thing.
What's your favorite app?
Instagram.
Do you like black clothes?
Yes, they look good.
Do you like watching the sunset?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Are you patient?
Sometimes.
Do you like cold drinks?
Yes, especially in summer.
Do you use headphones a lot?
Yes, every day.
What's your favorite cake?
Chocolate cake.
Do you like going to the gym?
Yes, it's good for me.
What time do you eat dinner?
Around 8 p.m.
Do you like fast food?
Yes, sometimes.
Are you scared of the dark?
No, I'm not.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I do.
Do you like morning walks?
Yes, they make me feel fresh.
What's your favorite place at home?
My room.
What music do you listen to?
Pop music.
What's your favorite number?
7.
Do you like long trips?
Yes, if I'm with friends.
Bye. See you later.
Bye. Take care.